Today we'll be trying Lucas engine oil stop leak on a mower that has a bad gasket. That's correct. We'll be timing our test, then we'll do a before and after weighing the amount of oil loss before we use Lucas engine oil stop leak, and then after using Lucas stop leak. We'll go ahead and clean the area and have it prepped so we can begin our test. I'm going to also test the effects of this product by doing a compression test before using the product and after. Then we'll also take the temperature before and after. Now let's get this magnetic tape out and I'll show you how we're going to use this in our test. How to fix engine oil leaks? Well, replace the gasket or the seal. They're only a few bucks, but unfortunately a few $1,000s to replace. Do you think oil additives can be harmful to your engine? This is something else we'll be finding out. Now we'll place the adhesive side of the magnetic tape to this bowl that we'll lay down on the mower. This way it'll stick to the mower and we'll be able to catch all the oil that drains out. Now we'll do this to our second bowl, so we'll have two ready. We've measured the magnetic tape to try to make sure we have the exact same weight. We have our timer, everything ready to go. But first, let me show you how much this weighs on both bowls before performing this test. First up, 67 grams. Now we'll go ahead and weigh the next one. $67 grams for this one as well. Now we'll check the oil and make sure it's at its full capacity. We're good here, so let's move on. Now, time for the compression test. Soon you'll see just how bad this engine drips motor oil. If it can fix this engine, well, it can definitely fix any other engine. This is one of the worst leaks I've ever seen. We have 90 pounds of pressure before performing the test. The oil that we lose from this leaking gasket, well, we're going to put this on a scale and weigh it and take out the difference from the Lucas engine oil stop leak. We'll make sure the exact same amount of oil is in here by applying it to a scale. We've started the timer and the test is underway. I'm actually really excited for this test because we're going to be able to see with undisputable results, does this stuff actually work? Does Lucas engine oil stop leak stop oil leaking? Guys, don't forget, drop a comment below and let others know in the NIA community if you've tried Lucas engine oil stop leak and it doesn't even work, because I'd prefer people know the truth. Surprisingly, 249 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature before using the product. I will say this is a really bad oil leak, so I'm not sure if Lucas stop leak is going to make a difference or not. We leave the bowls under the valve cover for a couple of hours even after the mower is off. Now it's time to find out how much Lucas stop leak we're going to actually need to use. First off, we'll need to find out how much oil was lost during the test. So we'll apply this bowl first to the scale, this way we can add our tare. Now it's zeroed out after the bowl, so when we add this new bowl with the oil, it'll only show the weight of the oil itself. This way we can provide the correct amount to add, the same amount, should I say, that we had started with originally. Now we have our measuring cup out, but to be safe, we'll also apply it to a scale. The directions state use 20% of the system capacity, 1 quart to every 4 quarts of motor oil. So after we subtract the oil that was leaking in the beginning of the test, this will come out to 3.2 ounces. If there's something you would like to see tested in the upcoming video, just subscribe to the channel and comment below, letting us know what you want to see next. Well, what do you think? Does this stuff actually work, or is this a bunch of snake oil? Let's add our Lucas and get started with the rest of the test. You're not going to believe how this is going to turn out. This Lucas stop leak definitely reminds me a lot of Lucas stabilizer. Look how thick this stuff is. It's really sticky, just like the stabilizer is. It even looks like the stabilizer, the original formula. I hold it here for a minute to make sure I get every last drop. This stuff definitely takes a while to drain. I hope you're as excited as I am. This is definitely going to be epic. The maximum temperature before 249 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's 178 degrees Fahrenheit. The compression before the test, 91 psi. 91 psi here as well. Finally time to weigh this stuff and see, does it actually work. First up, I'll show you how much oil was lost before using the Lucas product. 3.2 ounces. Now, the moment of truth. How much oil was lost after using Lucas? 2.5 ounces. For more information on Lucas stop leak or where you can find it, check the description below. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.